Hello, this is Steve from Object River. This video is part of our Angular series. This video will show we're going to generate a Node TypeScript WebSocket server from Object River metadata. It also contains callbacks. This technology I've used in my consulting business for years, and it's free. We decided to put this on the net. It's actually been on the web for 5 or 6 years. And now we're announcing our version 3. Enjoy the video. Okay, so now we're going to create a Node TypeScript WebSocket server. And I'm in IntelliJ, and the reason I'm in IntelliJ is because I'm going to use Ant to create a Docker server and other such things. But you can generate this from WebStorm also. So in our model, we had a callback, and the callback we modified to send us stuff, bean back, and we're going to take this set bean list, and from this method we're going to do a callback. Okay, so first we're going to do is we're going to generate the system, and we're going to create another run configuration here. I'm going to dupe this Java one. And we'll just call this Node WS. I'm going to change this to a TypeScript Node server. It's going to generate into Node. I'm going to save that, and then we're going to run this this compiler. Okay, that's going to generate a bunch of TypeScript code into the Node directory right here, the server. You can see the callback stubs here. There's our callback. So from that set bean list method, we're going to make this call to this stub to do the callback. So now let's go to that code and close this stuff here. We'll go to our server, impl. And we're going to set bean list. And here you can see we generated a comment here. This is the method, and it returns a list of stuff and has input of a list of stuff. First, we want to import the stubs into our method here. We'll do that. Okay, next what we want to do, we'll scroll down to the implementation here, and this is the result here is returning a random list of stuff. But what we'll want to do is we just want to call our callback method here. I'm just going to take the first stuff in the array and pass that back to the caller, which is Angular. Now that we've coded our callback, let's go to a terminal, and we'll cd to our to our Node server directory. We'll call npm install. This will set up the Node environment and build our application. So now there's two ways to start the server. First, we'll start the server with npm start. And you can see that started and the server's running on port 9090. The second way to start the server is to create a Docker image and run it as a container. And so we'll do that. First, let me kill this server. I'm going to go over to Ant, and I wish this Ant was in the other IntelliJ products because I'm really not satisfied with the Docker plugins over there. But if we go to Ant and we open, this got generated. This is an Ant script down in your Node server directory, and this is to build the Docker image and run it. And so if I go to this target and I execute that, that is building a Docker image of this Node application. And that's running, and that finished. And then I'm going to run this server. It tries to kill a previous version first, but that ran right here. And if I go back to my terminal and I say docker ps, there's your server running, your Node TypeScript server running. So that's it. We generated the Node TypeScript WebSocket server. We coded the callback, and then we built it. You saw it can run just with npm start. You can run it in Docker. Appreciate it. Appreciate if you guys give us a like, download the system, try it yourself. I've used this technology for over 15 years in consulting company, and give it a share and tell your friends. Thanks. Bye.